Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to reset password using single mode on Linux. Access the console screen, VNC, and restart the VPS. Depending on the system used, there are different ways to restart. Reset the operating system. And access grub mode by pressing any key while the machine is rebooting. Press the E key to enter the edit with the following display. Find the text RHGB quiet and edit it. After finishing editing, press Ctrl X, and it will start to boot with the specified parameter. And will show the bash prompt. Check the status of the root partition with the following command. Then, you need to edit read and write permissions on the root partition to change the root password. Proceed to reset the password for the root user. Enter the password you want to set for root. Add command. Reboot the server with the following command. Log in with the new password to check again. Access the console screen, VNC, and proceed to restart the VPS. Access the system grub boot menu. Usually, the system will automatically display the grub boot menu. If not, try restarting the VM and pressing the Shift key several times. On the grub boot menu, select the running kernel and press the E key to edit. Move to the following line. Edit the following parameter part. Press Ctrl X or press F10 to enter single mode. Then execute the following commands. Change password. Enter the password you want to set for root. Data synchronization. Reboot the system. Finally, log in with the new password and check.